Hi, to make a Christmas cracker, we need cracker snap, Christmas cardstock, and ribbons. The download link is in the description. Upload the files to Design Space or Silhouette Cameo. All the folding lines are cut as dotted lines, so we don't need a scoring tool. All we need to do is click Make It to cut. Now it has been cut. We can see the dotted lines. All we need to do is flip it over and fold along the dotted lines. Put a cracker snap in and apply glue to one end. Glue the two end panels together. Cut 2 pieces of ribbons. Here I cut the ribbons to 19.5 inches. Tie one end with the ribbon. Fill in the goodies, then tie the other end with the ribbon too. You could cut the cracker snap if it is too long. I'm gonna leave it because it will be easier for my kids to grab. I use glue to secure the cracker snap in one end. Time to snap! Hope you enjoyed this design. Happy crafting!